9 IELTS speaking idioms for 9 band score. 1. To have a whale of a time. Meaning, to have a very fun and exciting time. Example, we had a whale of a time at Sally's birthday party. 2. To be on cloud 9. Meaning, very happy and joyful. Example, he was on cloud 9 after winning the competition. 3. To be on top of the world. Meaning, feeling amazing, wonderful, ecstatic. Example, the sea and the warm sun made us feel on top of the world. 4. To be over the moon. Meaning, extremely pleased and happy. Example, she was over the moon about or with her new bike. 5. To be like a dog with 2 tails. Meaning, dogs express happiness through wagging their tails. Therefore, a dog with 2 tails must be very happy. Example, when his first child was born, Isaac was like a dog with 2 tails. 6. It makes my blood boil. Meaning, to make you very angry. Example, when I hear stories of cruelty to animals, it makes my blood boil. 7. It drives me up the wall. Meaning, it annoys you a lot. Example, the heat is driving me up the wall. 8. Hit the ceiling. Meaning, to get very angry and upset. Example, when I told him what happened, he hit the ceiling. 9. He or it winds me up. Meaning, someone or something really annoys you. Example, he keeps complaining and it really winds me up. Bonus idiom. To get on your nerves. Meaning, someone annoys you a lot. Example, stop whining. You're getting on my nerves. Activity, guess the word and post your answer in the comments.
Inzpira.